Hello guys, it's your boy Habib Educate, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy cheap bundles. Yesterday I have a friend who bought bundle. I told him I wanted to show him how to buy the cheapest one, but I said no, he knows his way of buying bundles. He ended up buying for the first time 3 series. Few minutes later it got finished. So by the end of the day he bought 9 series bundle. So if he was to listen to me, he would have bought only 3 series bundle, which could have lasted for 24 hours, and it is what it is. So without wasting my time, let's dive into it. So welcome back. If this is your first time on this channel, then kindly subscribe, and if you're here with us, welcome back. So without wasting my time, let's pick our phones and dial *135# send. So this is the process of buying the cheapest bundle of all. Then we are going to choose option 2, that's zone bundle. 2. Alright, then choose option 1, that's data zone bundle. Okay, so with here there are a lot of options, but mostly it fluctuates. There are some days that you can get 1 gig megabyte of bundle for 2 series, and there are some days too that you can get it for 3 series. It depends. So for today, as lucky as we are, 1 gigabyte of bundle, it goes only for 1 day. This lasts for only 24 hours. Okay, so it's 2 series 39 pesos, and the option 2 says 2 gigabyte of bundle for 1 day goes for 3 series 90 pesos. So if this friend of mine yesterday was to listen to me very well, this 3 series 90 pesos would have lasted him for 24 hours, which is 2 gigabytes of bundle, but he ended up buying 9 series of bundle, which was so devastating. So as I told you, then now you just choose any of them and it lasts for 24 hours. But if you are trying to buy this kind of bundle and it doesn't go through, then you should know that you have to buy airtime first, then later on use that airtime, convert it into bundle, and that's how the data zone bundle works. So how was this video? I hope you find it interesting. It's your boy Habib Educate. If this is your first time on the channel, kindly subscribe, and if you're here with us, welcome. The subscription also helps the channel, and it also motivates me to do more of this video. But in the next video, I have a lot of tutorials coming up, how to edit a professional YouTube channel, professional page, and other stuffs. And after this video, I'll also be doing a video of how to get a lot of bundles or airtime from your own rewards gotten from MTN. So if you are ready to see this kind of videos, kindly subscribe so that whenever I upload those videos, you will be the first person to be notified. It's your boy Habib Educate, and I will see you in the next video. Salam.